The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power lift gate, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.